There are varying opinions all through the West on this subject. However, most agree Congress will make up its mind about that sometime next year. Now the weather. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? More on that later. This news just in concerning a 6-year-old runaway. The runaway is an 8-foot yellow bird who answers to the name Big Bird.
Did you say Big Bird?
That's right, Big Bird.
Oh,
He left his nest in Ocean View, Illinois last night and is reportedly heading east for a place called Sesame Street.
Sesame Street?
Sesame Street. Sorry.
Oh.
Here now, the report is our correspondent, Kermit the Frog.
Okay, here's one. Why does a chicken not cross the road? Because it's chicken, get it? Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here in Ocean View, Illinois, with the thank you note that Big Bird left saying he was running back to Sesame Street. The note reads, Dear Dodos, you are a very nice family. Thanks for everything, but I'm walking back to Sesame Street. I should be there in 3 hours, since it took 2 hours to fly here. So if anyone calls, you know where to reach me. Love, Big Bird. And here is the family that he left. The Dodo.
Are we on television?
Holy cow.
Yes, you are.
I never thought I'd make it. She finally hit the big time. Let's go inside and watch.
Now, who'd run away from a family like that? They certainly look very worried. Dodos, be careful there. Watch it. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Dodos. And they certainly are.
One green froggy.
To complete the picture, let's have a few words with Miss Finch of the Feathered Friends. Excuse me, Miss Finch. You sent Big Bird to the Dodos, didn't you?
Yes. I found him a lovely home.
Uh-huh. And why was that?
Because he belongs with his own kind.
Mm-hmm. And what kind is that?
Birds.
Yes, well, why do you suppose he ran away from home?
I can't imagine.
Quiet.
Uh-huh.
Such a lovely home, such a lovely family.
Uh-huh.
We at the Feathered Friends take such pride in finding the right environment for the homeless birdling.
You think maybe he didn't like it here or something?
Impossible.
Well, what are you going to do about it, Miss Finch?
I am going to find Big Bird wherever he is and bring him back to the Dodos.
Well, you heard it right here, folks. This has been Kermit the Frog speaking to you from Ocean View, Illinois. So now back to you guys.
Okay, Radar, old buddy. We gotta split up. Throw him off track. Don't worry. I'm sending you Bear Man. See you on Sesame Street.